every day. Carry isn't just about knives and wallets anymore. It's about having tools that actually make your life easier, whether you're at the office, on a hike, or just fixing something at home. We tested 5 awesome EDC gadgets you can grab on Amazon right now, and here's what stood out. At first glance, it looks like a ruler, but the Tightener Mix 2 is a multi-tool disguised as one. It's got a logarithmic scale, a tiny adjustable wrench, magnetic alignment system, and copper core build, all in a titanium body. Honestly, it feels over-engineered in the best way possible. It's not just for measuring, it's the kind of thing you'll keep on your desk, in your bag, or use to tinker with small fixes. And yes, it looks absolutely badass in rose gold titanium. Best for engineers, tinkerers, or anyone who loves precision tools. Yes, another flashlight, but this one's different. The Wuben G5 is flat, almost like a key fob, which makes it ridiculously pocket-friendly. Despite its size, it pumps out 400 lumens, has RGB modes, and is IP68 waterproof. The magnetic back means you can stick it to your car hood or fridge and work hands-free. During testing, it was one of those lights I didn't think I needed, but ended up using constantly. Best for keychain carry, emergencies, or anyone who wants a flashlight that disappears in your pocket until you need it. No EDC lineup is complete without a good knife. The Kizer drop bears a perfect balance of utility and style. With its 154cm steel blade, it held an edge nicely during testing, whether it was opening boxes, slicing cord, or food prep outdoors. The aluminum handle feels grippy without being too rough, and the action is smooth with the thumb stud deployment. It's one of those knives that feels dependable the second you flip it open. Best for EDC knife lovers who want a tough but sleek blade they can actually put to work daily. EDC isn't complete without a solid wallet, and the Dango Slim nails the balance of sleek design and practicality. It's RFID blocking, so your cards are safe, and slim enough to carry front pocket without feeling bulky. What I liked was how durable it feels. It's built tough, but still looks classy enough for work or casual carry. The cutouts make card access quick, which is a small thing, but makes a big difference. Best for minimalists and anyone tired of carrying a bulky leather wallet. This little guy proves size isn't everything. The ThruNite Archer Mini puts out 405 lumens, bright enough to light a trail at night, or check under the hood of your car. What I liked most was the tail switch control. Feels tactical, easy to use one-handed. It's USB-C rechargeable, so no hunting for batteries, and small enough to clip onto a pocket without weighing you down. Perfect blend of minimalist size and serious brightness. Best for campers, commuters, or anyone who wants a tiny light with big performance. Every piece has a different role, whether it's lighting, cutting, carrying, or measuring. Together, they make up a versatile EDC kit that covers you from the office to the outdoors. Check the links in the description for the best deals, and let me know which one you'd add to your everyday carry setup. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because next time we're testing even crazier gadgets.